So we got a couple pretty cool golf carts in. This particular one wanted to do a video. We had a couple of requests. This is a Workhorse that you would never know was what it was from looking at it currently. The coolest part about this is it is quote unquote street legal in lots of areas, but also because it's got what a lot of people call the big block. It's a 22 horsepower Vegas engine, which actually has the regular start feature. So it does not start and stop constantly as you're riding. You start it like a car, turn it off when you're done. This particular customer spared no expense. It's got a Jake's lift kit with adjustable coilover shocks, control arms with heim joints, front bumper with receiver hitch, LED lights, off-road tires and SS wheels, tail lights, LED, rear tow receiver, flip seat. Does have a little boo-boo right there. Pretty cool, Band-Aid. Signal lights, rear view mirrors. Might have a horn here somewhere. Tachometer with a hour meter, and this unit only has 8.3 hours. He used it at a RV park. That's what he used it for. Seatbelts. Another look at the engine. Die-hard battery. Fuel tank with fuel filter. Fuel pump. Top. Fold down windshield. Pretty badass unit. Right beside it, if you do not like electric, this one is. If you do not like gas, this one's electric. Off-road tires again, adjustable coilover lift kit again, heim joint suspension again. I don't think that's a Jake's lift kit, I think it's a different brand. ITP tires, charger, LED lights. This is an Easy Go. Both of them got the carbon fiber dash. This has the extra battery for all the stereo equipment. Very much up-to-date Trojan batteries. The faster electric motor kit, I guess you would call it, to make it go faster. This thing rock and rolls pretty good. Both of these actually are very fast. But LED light bar up on the roof, aftermarket cage, back seat as well. So if you're looking for a couple extreme, get your attention golf carts, we got them. Both of them in stock, ready to rock, along with plenty of other toys, whatever your fancy is. This is just a sample of our 400 plus units that are in stock. Give us a call with any questions. Thanks for watching. Hit the website for up-to-date information.